Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with Klarna on Goat. So let's get into the video. So open up Goat and log into your account. And if you want to pay with Klarna, so what you're going to do, so firstly just make an order, like go to your cart, your shopping cart. So once you add something to your shopping cart, and when you get to this page here where you proceed with the checkout, the payment and checkout option. So when you get to here, that's the shipping page here. So I selected an item, so it's now on the shipping, so I'm fine with shipping. So now what I'm going to do, I'm interested with this payment section here, so click on the payment section. So when you get to payment section, you will see all the available payment options here. So if you want to pay with Klarna, you can simply select the Klarna option only if it's available in your regions. Like for me, for example, I don't actually have Klarna in my regions, but instead of Klarna I have like Alipay and PayPal, other options available for me. So based on the location, see if Klarna is available. So if Klarna is available, you can simply select the Klarna and then proceed with your Klarna credentials and complete the order. So like how PayPal or Alipay is here. So you just simply select select the Klarna option and then complete this process. So again, please note that this is only available based on your region and wherever Klarna is available in your region. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.